What is the difference between authorization and authentication? Authentication, proving your identity. For example, when you log into something using your username and password, you're getting authenticated and the server will usually send you something back like a token. That token is then used in future requests to identify who you are, and it is sent with any further API requests as a header like this. So every time you speak to the API, it knows who's talking. So what about authorization? It's about what you can do. Now that the API knows who you are because you've been authenticated, it now needs to know what you're allowed to do. Because being authenticated doesn't necessarily mean you can access everything. Let's show this in an example. Let's get the admin dashboard. If we are trying to access it without our token, then we're not even authenticated. So in this case, we may get a 401 unauthorized. If the token is valid but it's not an admin token, then we may get a 403 forbidden. So accessing this dashboard will only work if your token is valid and you have permissions. So in summary, authentication is proving who you are and authorization is checking what you're allowed to do. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to check out the rest of the playlist. But other than that, I'll see you next time. This is... to wait for him. This token prove